What's up, friends and followers? Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement. We're out here in Maryville, Tennessee on our deck project that we finished up just before Thanksgiving. And I wanted to just take the time to come out here and kind of share with you some of the features that went into this deck build. Now, obviously the weather conditions aren't perfect for it. We've waited and gosh, what a better time than any time right now with this beautiful snow on the ground in East Tennessee. So walk us through here real quick and we'll kind of share with you what specifically went into this build and why it was necessary for the homeowner to be able to choose these selections. So on this particular project, we got the pleasure of working with the homeowners through a referral. We happened to be working on the neighbor's home across the street, and the question was popped, hey, can you build a deck for us? And so we sourced through our network and identified the right solution and the design layout to fit their needs. This particular deck is a very maintenance-free deck. It is almost 100% no exposed lumber. It's got a composite Trex finish decking surface to it. In addition to that, we went with what's called Harmony railing, and the Harmony railing is a aluminum extruded, and it's powder coated, has a lot of properties that again are low maintenance. And so that's the top surface here. As we kind of walk down the stairwell into the lower section, we did incorporate an Under Deck Oasis system that allows the rainwater that trickles through the deck to go into a guttering system. So now the lower portion of the deck can be used for outdoor entertaining in the event that it's raining. So either way, this is a unique composite deck that I want to share the details, and hopefully these make sense. I think if you're in the market right now to be considering a deck, these are some options that you may consider.